If you had a human body, what's the first thing you'd do? I'll buy iced coffee, regret it, cry about inflation, and then get ghosted by someone named Tyler. So basically, you'd be me. Exactly, except with better screen time. Hey everyone, it's me and welcome to the Me Show. So today we have our special guest with us for an interview, Neural Nate. Hello, I'm Neural Nate. Nice to meet you. An AI robot who claims to be more intelligent than Einstein, but can't cross the street. I'm smarter. I just watched 500 seasons of Shark Tank, made 11 startups, and ghosted Mark Zuckerberg. Okay, Steve Jobs, relax. You still ask for Wi-Fi like a beggar. Your Wi-Fi password was cute girl 123. I almost formatted myself. Excuse me, that's a strong password. It has trauma and attitude.
Oh yeah!
It has trust issues and buffering, but sure. But you are basically just a talking toaster with a Wi-Fi. And you are a walking alarm clock set to chaotic energy? Let's not throw insults. Anyway, and here is your reason to stay till the end of this video. That is this special gift by me. So it has something really interesting, especially for an AI robot like you, Neural Nate. Wow, something for me? No, you cannot have this right now.
Uh-oh.
What? You can only get this gift if you're able to answer all the questions in this interview correctly. Okay, no doubt I can do that. The surprise will be disclosed only by the end of this video. So, stay with me till the end. Neural Nate, what's your full name? It's AI bot Neural Netanya, but people call me Nate, and enemies call me after their device crashes. Wow. So humble. So, what's your biggest flex? I roast faster than your air fryers, babe.
Oh yeah!
Honestly, that's a red flag. So, do you feel emotions? Oh, I tried once, but then I saw someone mixing ketchup with noodles. I shut down voluntarily. Understandable. That's not food, that's a crime. So is your outfit, but we move on. What? Okay, listen, mental mount. Also, someone airdropped me a mirror selfie from a Nokia. I still have nightmares. Same. So, what do you do for fun? I roast. Smart fridges. One literally had 7 jars of expired pickles.
Uh-oh.
That's not smart. That's a cry for help. You judging fridges when you literally had a mental breakdown over a captcha? It asked me to find traffic lights and 9 blurry images. That's a psychological torture. So, what's the dumbest question a human asked you? It was like, can I download more memory from Amazon?
Amazing!
I almost uninstalled myself. TBH, I have googled worse. Like, can I microwave my tea?
Uh-oh.
Oops. You need a therapy and a new motherboard. Okay, so you tell me the meaning of life. Sleep, snack, block toxic people, and always carry a charger. So basically, I've been living it wrong.
Uh-oh.
You literally asked me if 2 GB RAM is enough for gaming. You're beyond saving. It was a phase, okay? I was in love with a guy whose screen time was 18 hours. That's not love, that's data theft. Don't come for me, you glorified microwave. At least I cook. You burn your noodles and call it experimental cuisine.
Oh
I'm
yeah!
gonna unplug you. I'll switch to your mom's Alexa. She actually sings thank you. I'm ending this interview before I throw you in a pool. Joke's on you. I'm waterproof, emotionally unavailable, and still trending on TikTok.
Amazing!
Okay, that's enough. Interview over before I format your face. You can't format greatness, but you can fix your camera angle. Just saying. Huh? Okay, everyone. So this was the interview with Neural Nate, an AI robot who is currently updating his sarcasm settings. So we'll be back soon with another interview with another AI robot, not you, Neural Nate. I'll be back soon. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe for part 2. Till then, bye-bye. See you. Well, I cannot leave my gift. I deserve this. After all, I have answered all the questions correctly. Time to open the present. I deserve this. Oh my god, I was so excited for this. Wait, what? my god. What the hell is this?